This is a large capacity tactical pencil case I was interviewed from Echsrt, so let me show you a closer look. It is huge with so many compartments. It comes in a ton of colors. This is the Camo Brown, which is true brown and tan colors. It's not a rose gold or anything, but it's really nice, but they do have tons of colors. You've got a handle up here. It is not detachable, so that's gonna be really handy to hang it or to attach a name tag or something. You've got two big zippered compartments that open up and then one smaller one on the side. So let's look at that one first. A nice size for something flat that you just want to have easy access to. Boom. Then your next one on one side, this opens all the way up and this is a kind of flat space with a lot of storage for pens, pencils. Then you've got the pouch down here. So you can kind of insert the pen, depending on the pencil length or whatever, it's gonna go into the pocket. You could put erasers or whatnot down there. Then you've got another zippered compartment within here. It's just, oh my gosh, so many spaces and stuff in here. So we're gonna go ahead and zipper that up. And then we'll go to the other zippered compartment, the third one. So this is your big, deep one where you can put, you know, a box of crayons, a box of markers. Deeper stuff is gonna fit in there. You also have two little pouches here. It does have these little support structures on the side. So if you have it full, it's gonna be, you know, like this width. But if you're not using it full, it does kind of smush down to be more compact. So I love that. Just so many compartments. I just love this. I'm gonna go fill it up for back to school supplies for one of my kids. Label it. We're gonna do the fabric label here. I might also do a tag label just to be safe. Oh my gosh, I love this and I know you will too.